If you feel that the color controls panel is too tall or that there's too much empty room inside of it, and you wish that your monitor could be a little bigger, you're in luck. By default, we show all of the titles of all the sets of controls to make it easy to learn the system when you first see it. However, once you know how everything works, it's an easy thing to go into the wrench menu of the color controls panel and turn off show labels. That hides all of the labels, and then we can go ahead and make this more compact, and you get more valuable real estate for your monitoring situation. Be aware that any contextual menu targeting you want to do for the labels of each of the levels of the grade, such as the clip operations and the sequence operations, must now be targeted at the icon for each level of the grade. So if I right click on sequence, now I get all of the options that target the entire collection of sequence operations versus right-clicking on an operation itself, which gives me the contextual menu for just that selected operation.